A Norfolk MP has asked the government to do more to protect homes from inland flooding. George Freeman told MPs that 22 villages in his mid-Norfolk constituency have suffered serious flooding over the last 5 years. He wants more money for local drainage boards and for house builders to be held responsible for installing proper drainage systems.
In Norfolk, in the last 18 months, 1,000 houses have been flooded and 200 have had internal floodwater. This didn't used to happen 5-6 years ago. It's getting bad, and it's costing the county and the country a fortune. This is getting a lot worse very fast.